Juice, and I am here with Emily Ratajkowski for L'Officiel, the Netherlands. So nice to meet you. Thank you so much for having us. If I don't know you and I just wanna, get to know who's Emily.
Yeah.
The 5 things I don't know about Emily.
Okay.
And I already follow you, so there are some things that I know.
Okay, let's see.
5 things.
I'm really kind of a goofy person. I'm kind of silly, and I don't think you see that on my Instagram with all the pouts and serious faces. So that's one. Another thing would be how messy I am. I'm super messy. It takes a lot for me to keep my life organized and my car and my closet. I'm one of those girls who just has everything all over the place all the time.
Yeah.
I think I'm a foodie. I love food. I'm one of those people who is obsessed with different restaurants and eats a lot of different kinds of food in a given day. I spend a lot of time with my girlfriends. It's super, super important to me. I'm an only child, and I feel like for me, my friends are like my sisters.
So where do you find the time? I mean, you travel a lot, and we see you all over the place on Instagram. So how do you find the moment to look so beautiful?
Oh my gosh.
Hair and makeup and...
I think self-care is really important, and finding the products that you really can rely on, and instead of having 300 things, you just have the best things that you use all the time. So for me, it's the Extensioniste hair shampoo and conditioner, and then their elixir for when I'm traveling especially. And then for makeup, it's just a really good face wash, simple, with a little bit of exfoliating, and then a retinol cream.
Okay.
And so for me, just keeping those things kind of always with me and having them in my bag, that makes my life much easier. And even when I'm fresh off a plane and I feel so bad, it just makes me feel like myself again, which is nice.
True.
Yeah.
Yes. Your 3 favorite Christas products. You mentioned the shampoo, the conditioner, and the oil.
Yes.
Is there a specific line because they have different lines?
So the Extensioniste is my favorite for the shampoo and conditioner, and then the elixir, which is actually this one I can show you.
Oh yeah, I've seen
it's
this. Yeah.
so good. This is really, and what's funny is I have straight hair naturally, but my friends who have curly hair, it's the same thing. It works so well on the ends, and it gives your hair a little bit that extra protection that it needs. Especially when you're traveling. But honestly, in the summers when your hair gets dry, it's the same thing.
I feel like I've got to know you much better right now.
That's so
and
sweet.
You're very nice and very kind. It's just always nice to see someone in real life. And
Yes,
to know
I
them
bet.
better.
I'm sure.
Yeah, so thank you so much for
Thank
your
you
time
so
and
much.
having
So nice
me
to
and
meet
the
you.
team.
Yes,
Thank you.
so nice to meet you guys.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for coming.